Am I audible? Hi, am I audible? Please tell me. Am I audible? Am I audible? Please tell me. I'm really sorry for the disconnect. Okay, there is a technical problem here and I have rectified it. Hope I will continue the session. Okay. Okay, it has closed below the CPR, so this trade is a SL triggering trade. We have to wait for the next opportunity to take the trade. That is why you have to place your SL no matter how much confidence you have. So when you are wrong, you have to get out of the trade as early as possible. It will be possible with your stop loss triggering. Now we have to wait for another opportunity to take the trade. This is the demand zone here because the price took support at this location and suddenly move in upward direction like this. So I have to mark the virgin CPR also here. So let's wait for another opportunity. So until then I'm going to put this off, the mic off. Once the situation or the right trade I have seen, I'm going to come back to you and tell you about the particular trade. Let the candle close at this location. This is the HPTL location in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is at HPTL location and Nifty is at previous day's low, but I want the Bank Nifty to be at the HPTL location itself. Let the candle close at this location. This is the HPTL location. So to close the candle, we have 1 more minute. I want Nifty also to come above this pivot line 23,212. If you know me from previous days or previous years, I follow Nifty and Bank Nifty in tandem. That means I want to take the trade when Nifty is taking support, sorry, Bank Nifty and Nifty is taking support at some important level. So patience is the most important thing in day trading. Money transfers from impatient to patient. Once you have the system, you have to be patient until the price comes to your location, and if it is giving you the right signal to enter the trade, there you have to enter the trade. People think that once they took a course, everything is done and they can make money. Their mindset is like that. Taking any course is a part of the starting part of the game. Once you take the course, you have to understand what the mentor is describing you. Okay, next you have to understand the system. What are the important things you have to look after by using the system? You have to backtest it, and you have to stay at that particular location according to the mentor. Then you have to maintain your trading journal. This is a process. This process has to be done. Whatever system you are using, this is the right way to trade the markets. It's not like once you buy a course, you will get everything. No, it's not like that. You have to learn the system, you have to be in the market, you have to manage your emotions. All these you can get help from the mentor, but the mentor cannot give you the profits. Why? Because if you do the wrong things in the market, mentor cannot do anything. So what you have to do is develop the mindset of making money from the markets. Okay, when you are right where you have to take your money out of the market, you have to learn this. All these important things, if you talk to your mentor, they will give you an idea what you have to do. Okay, this is how actually trading works. You have to give your 100% to learn the system and stick to your strategies for a bit, for a good amount of time. 2 more minutes to close this candle. At this location, this is the HPTL location. 1 more minute to close this candle. Okay, Nifty candle closes below the previous low. Let's go to Bank Nifty now. Yeah, Bank Nifty is above the previous. I mean, closes above the highly profitable trade location. If you are trading only in Bank Nifty, okay, only in Bank Nifty, then you have the opportunity to enter at this location. Okay, if you are trading like me, seeing both the charts, taking the trades at some particular levels, both are giving the signal, then this is not the trade. If you are only trading Bank Nifty, this is the right trade. Okay, there are so many ways to trade the markets. What is my way of doing is, I need both the indices to close above some important level like HPTL location or some other important level, then only I am interested to take the trade. Some traders do this, they only trade in Bank Nifty or they only trade in Nifty. When the price coming to their location, they enter the trade without checking the other index. This is one kind of doing the trades. The confidence comes from the back testing, and I support both these kind of tradings in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Million ways to trade the markets. Okay, when you learn a system and you have to understand what the system is telling you to do, once you understand the system suits you, then you can go ahead in your trading. For me, it has to close above this level. Bank Nifty took support from the HPTL location. Nifty still has to close above the location. Why I see both the indices at the same time? Because Bank Nifty is Bank Nifty holding banks is part of Nifty. So when Nifty moves against Bank Nifty, there are chances to move both are in opposite directions. So with my experience, what I understood is, if I trade the both the indices taking support at some important level, then I have edge in the market. This is coming from the backtesting data, trading journaling, something like that. So I will wait patiently until the price comes to my location. This candle has to close above the HPTL location. The candle didn't close above this level. One more important point here is, when both the indices are closing above some support or some resistance, the flow of the money is very easy. Okay, so when the flow of money is easy, your energy, you preserve your energy for other chores, other learnings, something like that. When the market is fighting with you, you have to give your energy to the market in the form of theta decay also. So uh, after all these years of watching the market, what I understood is, we when you take the trade, the money should flow in your side. Okay, you should not fight with the market. Once you understand this, you will patiently wait for the price to come to your location, and you take the trade with more calmness. And we cannot question the markets, because market is the almighty. We have to adjust ourselves according to the market trends. We need to close this candle. Still the candle below HPTL location in Nifty. can see, even though it is taking support at this HPTL location, it is still consolidating here. All the indices in red. The overall market sentiment is also influencing the market in a big way. For example, if we want to be bullish at this location, the overall market sentiment is negative, okay, like this. Like this, all the indices are in red, all the stocks, important stocks are in red, and that time, if you want to be bullish in the market at your highly profitable location or something like 99% sure short strategy, you will hit your stop loss. So the overall market sentiment is also important for you to make money in the markets. Two more minutes to close this candle. See such a big candle at this time, at this previous day low and S1. Is my interpretation about this candle is, here the sellers present here, okay, the sellers present here, they pushed the price downwards with such big move and it closed below these pivots. Once the price goes to this location, again these aggressive sellers want to push the price downwards. That's why this candle could not close above this important level, because people know that once the price closes below previous day low and the S1 with such aggressive red candle, there are chances to the price to move again as them. Okay, so this is how you have to analyze the markets. It's not like you learn a system, you do it every single time. It's not like that. Okay, this is the interpretation out of it. So if you see anything that is aggressively against you, you have to stay away from the markets. All these things comes from experience and backtesting, rigorously backtesting, and writing your trading journal. Small things you will understand about the markets. These small things will be like big rocks on one day, and you understand what you have to do to make money from the markets. this is the big candle that has closed below this previous day low on S1. So when the price retraces back to this candle with some good discount, traders will enter the market and push the price towards the next pivot. This is a famous strategy for CPR pivot points. Hi Piyush ji. Nowadays I'm using MACD, not moving average, for different reasons. Moving average is also good, but as I'm doing scalping, I am more like momentum trader now. I have changed my system according to the market's movement, market's different strategies like theta decay, something like that. I have changed it. I want to enter the market. Once I enter the market, I need to take money immediately after I entering the trade. So I'm using the momentum indicator MACD nowadays, because staying too long in the markets will affect in the form of theta decay, because uh, few last 1 year or more the market is having everyday expiries, which affects our theta decay, I mean which affects our premium in the form of theta decay for option buyers. Yeah, Venkat Krishna Pachi Pulusu. You can plan PE after the candle closes below the day's low, previous day's low. It's a nice strategy. So tell me one thing. This is a big candle, right? This is a big candle, and this candle gives you signal to enter bearish in Nifty. So would you enter at this location after the close of this candle, and would you place your SL here? You take your target here. Tell me in the comment box, would you do this? This is a good setup. Will you enter at the close of this candle, take your profit at the next pivot, placing the stop loss above this entry candle? Will you do it? So one more important thing here is many traders, even though they have some good experience like 2 3 years of experience, they trade too many strategies. Okay, they trade too many strategies, they see money, but in one or two trades they get rid of all the money. Why? Because they are concentrating on many strategies. Do not go more than two strategies. Just understand why I am saying this. Okay, for if you are using one strategy, sometimes the market supports that strategy. Okay, sometimes it would not support whatever metrics you are using, whatever technical analysis you are using, it will not support you. So so you are doing all the strategies with all the certainty. What happens? There is so much of chaos in your trading system. So try to do it one or two strategies. Why? Because when it is against you, you lose a small amount of money. When the market is in your direction, you will make some money. So you see some kind of certainty in your trading system. So follow this. Do not go for 7 8 strategies whenever it comes in the charts. You should not do it. Choose two strategies that suits to you and just repeatedly do the same strategies. Yes, thanks for telling your opinion in the chat session. No, it's a huge stop loss. So what you have to do at this kind of situation is you have to wait until the price comes to your uh, it will give you some discount most of the time. Okay, you have to wait until the price gives you some discount, it comes back to you here. For example, the right entry at is 1040 candle in Nifty. Why? Because when you enter at this location 23,187, you place your stop loss above the entry candle, which is a small stop loss. Okay, which is really good stop loss for you. Okay, this is your entry, this is your stop loss, and this is your target. Okay, you risk this much small amount to gain this much amount. So anytime if you see that big candles at your locations, you have to wait for the retracement or some discount. Like this, retracement and discount is same in my view. Great. Yes, PhD, it is also at this good support of Virgin CPR and the demand zone also. It could reverse, but my point here is if you are trading only this strategy, you have to enter at this candle. Okay, that's why I say here we have so many ways to trade the markets. You have to understand what you have to do to make money from the markets. For me, CPR system is the only way I can make money. I could not concentrate or take that that step forward to learn non-directional trading strategies because I am uh, really afraid of the firefighting or that kind of adjustments. So I am peaceful with this system. So I am sticking to one or two strategies. So I'm rigorously doing the strategies in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So the overall market is helping me. I'm making the money. Even though I have the system, I have the experience, I understood that I could not control the markets like anyway. I'm nothing in the market. Even hundreds and hundreds of retail traders are nothing in the market. You cannot control the market. What you can do is you enter at your good location, you exit your target location, or it triggers your stop loss. This is the only thing that we have in our hands. Because like you and me, there are lakhs of traders or high institutional investors sitting there, having their own plans, doing their own strategies. Could you control everybody over there in front of their screens? No, right? What you can control is your system, your entry, your target, your emotions. That's why we call this as emotional game. 90% psychology, sorry, 80% psychology, 20% strategy. Yes. Yes, Soumyasri. That's why people feel overwhelmed about the markets after they are a bit around the markets. They want to control everything, which is impossible. So obviously you're right, it's a parabolic breakout. In that view also you can wait for the retracement, some consolidation kind of thing. Always place your stop loss no matter what you're trading. Okay, or if you have enough experience, you can also put the mental stop, not the actual stop. If you are a new trader, you have to place the actual stop loss in your trading account, because it is going to be really difficult when it is moving against you and you have to get out of the position. So, on any given day, even after 5 years of day trading, never pat yourself back that I have cracked the game of day trading. No, never go into that side. Always respect the markets, always be humble with the markets, wait for your price to come to your location, uh, concentrate on putting your stop losses, your targets. Never go into that zone of ego or something like that. Just stay humble, just stay calm, take your profits, enjoy your life, and all the responsibilities you have, calmly do it. Never announce that you have this much, that much, I have cracked this, something like that. No, don't do it. Do it with calm, do it with responsibility. Just stay calm and do your chores every single day. Make your life so simple without some showcasing your profits or something like that, your money, something like that. Always prioritize your peace. Okay, even your life also, you have to prioritize your peace. And Do it with calm mind. The most valuable things are two in my experience is one is health and another one is peace. Okay, peace and fulfillment, some kind of stuff is there. Those are the most expensive things that we can buy. Okay, even though you have so much of money, if you don't have health, that is nothing. You have health, you have money, and you don't have anybody around you, who are your well wishers, your beloved ones, that is nothing. So create your life with the theme of HSRCM. This is the concept I have been following. This is really a part of day trading, but to day trading we really requires this. When I wake up in the morning, my priorities are these five. Okay, H for health, S for science or spirituality, okay, R for relationships, C for career, and M for money. I only think about the thoughts of these five things in my life. Okay, I never go beyond these things. I never crave for other people's attention. I work for my health. I just do walking whenever I have time, and I believe in God as well as in science. I do take some things about science also, and I really practice scientific things in my life. And I also always I have in mind that God is there. So I always pray for the God, for my well wishing. Sorry, I mean, so I always pray to the God every single day for giving me such a good life. If you are not in this zone, you can take this as a science zone. Scientifically do the things in your life. Okay, R is for relationships. You have to concentrate on the relationships, like your spouse, your parents, your children, your friends. You don't need hundreds and thousands of friends in Facebook or some other things. You just need few friends who have good heart to help you in your adversities, to give a hand in your happiness. Just concentrate on those relationships. And moreover, career. From 9 to evening 4 o'clock, I always think about the career part of me. Okay, I always think about the career. I work for my career from 9 to 4. When it comes to money, I invest in very safe assets. Okay, when I make money from the stock market or some other source of income, I just invest it in a safe kind of investment. It's not a risky investment, because you need money to do your responsibilities. So never show off with branded clothes or some other stuff like that. So if you follow the system of HSRCM along with the day trading, at some point of time you will get money, you will get your loved ones, you will get your health, you will get the support of the God or science related stuff for you. Science related stuff in the sense, anything you can't measure, you can't control it. Okay, if you can't measure your weight, you can't control it. If you can't measure what you are taking, what food you are taking, what calories you are taking, you cannot control your weight or your health. So there is always a scientific way to approach and get success in your life. If you can't measure your losses, that means you don't have particular system to exit the markets when you are having losses, a particular system to take profits from the market. you cannot survive in the market. So if you can measure the profits or the losses you are making, and uh, that is the right way to improve yourself. Maybe this is boring, but this is the actual right way to live your life along with day trading. For yeah, so obviously actually for Nifty on spot chart I risk 20 points. Okay, I risk 20 points, minimum 20 points, maximum 25 points, not more than that. According to the situation, the benchmark for me in Nifty in the spot chart is 20 points. That means in the option chart I risk only 10 points, around 10 points. For Bank Nifty in the spot chart I risk 40 points most of the time. Okay, if the stop loss is big, more than 40 points, then I position size myself. That means if I usually trade 10 lots, on that particular day the stop loss is big, I trade with 5 lots only. Let me tell you what is the spot chart. This is the spot chart, and option chart is a different. I see the trades in the spot chart, I calculate the stop loss in the spot chart. For example, the it is at 48,880. Okay, the price is at this location. I will risk only 40 points in Bank Nifty. Okay, only 20 points in Nifty. This is how I calculate the stop loss points. For example, let's take this situation. I told you to enter at this 1040 candle. The stop is 40 points here. You can see this red one, 40 points. Okay, 40 points. You can see here stop STOP 40. So I have to risk 40 points here. What I'll do is I'll position size myself to 5 lots only. Okay, even though if it is profit I don't care about it, it is loss also I don't care about it. Okay, I only risk 20 points. I don't think like when I am getting the profits, oh I should have taken the 10 lots, I should have taken 15 lots. No, I do not change the lot size according to my moods. I prefer to take the trades according to the situation. You can see here the price is near the demand zone as well as the virgin CPR. It wants to move upwards. That's why the fall from here is very slow. It is been consolidating here due to the Bank Nifty's support here. Sometimes even though we have support, immediately it falls to next pivot. I will come back to you once the price reaches this level, or it triggers the stop loss. Hello guys, I will decode here what happened exactly here. You can see here, this is the demand zone. This is the demand zone and this is the virgin CPR. Once the price coming here, traders wants to enter the market here. Okay, there is a fight in this candle, and this fight and consolidation suddenly erupted. The move, there is a big move happened in bullish way from this demand zone. Oh, wow, such a good move. But only demand zone traders are going to make money today in Bank Nifty. Such a good move, but it is against us. It's okay. You can see this big candle. This is the movement coming from the institutional investors. Okay, institutional investors only move the markets like this, big candles. Like this market tricks us some days it is really so plain. When you enter the markets, it just give you the profits. Sometimes it is like that, it manipulates you. You enter the market with one view and it triggers your stop loss and then goes in your direction.